Very important, we need engineer all the time. Engineer how to repair our bones and muscles and skin, arteries and veins. Each and everything which is present within head to toe, we need constant engineer. Because we have great fear that we will die. Because we do not know what is our future, what is the past. In present moment, we are not having full of joy. Because of that fear, there is more wear and tear. How to get rid of this wear and tear? We need a repair. Some organs are very weak. We need to fix it. It means all the time we need engineer. Therefore, who is creator of engineer? Brahma. The Brahma has created many engineers according to our need. If we have decided that in this life we are going to prove there is no mortals, there is no mortality, then Brahma will have different kind of construction mechanism within head to toes. If we believe in this, no, I accept. Death is the ultimate truth. Death will come. When we say there is immortality, we don't understand. Or there is a logic, immortals are there, all right, but I don't have confidence that I am going to experience immortality. In that condition, Brahma will create another kind of engineer. Why not to have the best engineer in our life? How to invite best engineers? They are going to take money? No. These engineers are free. They need your devotion. If you want head to toes to accept it as an immortal consciousness, if you have decided to keep it till you decide, and according to that, if you practice head to toes, whatever we feel within head to toes is presence of immortality, then it will be awarded by engineer, which is going to replace many things which is not there, or which has become weak. It is going to repair, it is going to reconstruct many things, then our body will be towards that consciousness which is called Mahaavatar Babaji. Many people are writing on the Google search, age of Mahaavatar Baba is 1800 years, 1800 years. They can't feel joy that Mahaavatar Babaji's age is you cannot determine. If I say, oh, he is just superior and super, if I feel, oh, it is not possible, it means I have jealous with him. Suppose that you are best student, you are best engineer, best doctor. I say, oh, you are like that. If I am also doctor. If I say, oh, you are like that, it means I have jealous with you. Many saints and sages, so-called saints and sages, many philosophers, they are not ready to accept that Mahaavatar Baba is Mahavatar, incarnation of all incarnations. He decided to stay on this earth till this creation exists, till human being is on this earth. But majority are not accepting it. Who are accepting? Who have real oneness with these masters. They will accept it. Therefore, you should accept it. If Paramahansa Yogananda writes, if Samyukteswar Giri writes, if Lahiri Mahasaya has said many times, then we have to accept it. If Mahaavatar Baba is there, this science is revised by him, then practice it sincerely with all devotion. But there will be flaw in practice if you criticize anyone. You cannot practice correctly. Therefore, stop criticizing few years. 14 years, don't criticize anyone. If you are criticizing 14 years, then this time zone will expand. 14 to further and ahead. Like that, then why you want to increase time zone? Let us decide from today, whatever our age is, maybe 80 doesn't matter. Up to the age of 94, you will reach to the height that you will get the power how to keep body till you want. And from today onwards, let us decide we sincerely will criticize no one, complain with no one, and just do not try to observe anyone. Suppose somebody is complaining, oh, why you are complaining? Guruji has said not to complain, don't say this. This saying is also complain. And do not try to observe me in what way I behave. You cannot understand. Try to observe your own behavior. Have no complaint 14 years with self, with others. With self-complaint is when you feel it is tiredness. That is not tiredness. That is unique dimension of consciousness which I have not accepted. Tiredness, weakness cannot exist because atom is energy. Head to toes is congregation of atoms. Then how you can see your lack of energy? You are not lack of energy. You have not trained your mind to appreciate all dimensions of energy consciousness. Therefore, never try to complain with you that I cannot do this, I cannot do that, I am tired, I am too sleepy, I do not want to sleep. Why you do not want to sleep? Practice great drive with the sleep, great drive with the dream, great drive with the awake state. If you are having a horrible dream, ignore it. When you are awake, ignore it. But do not have regret, I saw the horrible dream, bad dreams, it is coming in my mind. Ignore it. Any bad thought is coming, ignore it. How to ignore it? Feel head to toes, it is presence of immortal consciousness. Feel it again and again. Start from tip of the nails up to the top of the head. Practice it more and more. The humanity needs a help. Therefore, we should decide never get any sickness for the benefit of others. Never try to complain with yourself. If you have any changes you cannot tolerate, please come to me. But do not have complaint. Let us decide to reach to the height to become Mahaavatar Babaji. Oh yes, very good. Then we have two Mahaavatar Babaji. Never. Remember it. Like a wave. Wave of the ocean is there. Oh, this wave is coming. Oh, let us great. This wave will be ocean. Never. This wave is going to be one with the ocean. Suppose that one bucket water. When they come together, they become water. They don't have any boundary. Moment you reach to the height of Babaji, let us imagine that all are to that height of Babaji, then all become one Babaji. Therefore, Babaji will remain always one. Never think that there will be two Babaji. Babaji means Mahaavatar Babaji. Therefore, all these understanding will come to you. Seek a kingdom of God first. All knowledge will be added to you. All things will be added to you what you need. Seeking kingdom of God means seeking immortal consciousness. ये था आज का कार्यक्रम. This is for today. Let us have double breathing, tension relaxation. 2 बार में श्वास लें, कड़ा ढीला करें. And let us bow down to this holy congregation and bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation. इस सत्संग सभा को नमन करें. क्रिया योग ध्यान में अपनी भक्ति को नमन करें. अब हम बैठेंगे. Now we will sit. आंखें खोलें. Open eyes.